After spending a whole day with them, I realized the entire reason that I'm here is to make sure that Hugo and Rain get to day 100. So today, we're doing a friendship test. The first test is a 60-second stare into each other's souls.
Oh my God.
3, 2, 1. This is the final question. Rain, why do you want to win for Hugo?
This is such a crazy opportunity for him, and he's the biggest fan of Mr.
Hugo, why do you want to win for Rain?
I know how much her family helps her and literally giving her the ability to do anything. I want to help her really better their life.
If you guys can just remember, you're doing it for yourselves, but also for each other.
Yeah.